In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. To do this, what you want to go and do first is open up the Coinbase Wallet app. Now from there, you will go to the home screen or wallet section, and what you want to do is just go to the arrows in the bottom and right in the middle. Then from there, click on receive. Now here you can get your wallet address, but the easiest way in my opinion is to connect to Coinbase. So go and click on connect to Coinbase at the bottom, and then here you can see Coinbase Wallet would like to, and then the following things. So from there click authorize if you want to, and then you have now connected it to Coinbase. So now after connecting your Coinbase wallet to your normal Coinbase account, then in the receive section you can click on receive from Coinbase. And then here you can go and choose how much you want to receive from Coinbase and how you want to pay for it. So under pay with, you can see transfer from Coinbase, which is what I want to do. And for example, if I go to my Coinbase account, you can see right here the currencies I have. So I have a little over $1 in Ethereum, for example, which is what I'll use. So then what I can do is here just select the network Ethereum, cryptocurrency Ethereum, and then about €1 worth, and then click continue to payment. And then from here you can see pay with, and then I have a send limit of $1.44 since that's how much Ethereum I had on my Coinbase. And then where it says to, it says Coinbase wallet, and from there just confirm it. And now you can see I've sent $1 worth of Ethereum to my Coinbase wallet, which will now show up right here. Although depending on the currency, it can take a little while, but you can see I already have it right here. Now, depending on the currency network, it can take a couple of minutes, but this is how you can do it. So just look at your Coinbase account, see what currency you have and you would like to transfer, and just remember how much of it you have. Then on Coinbase wallet, click on receive. Click receive from Coinbase, select that same currency under the same network. For example, if you want to do Solana, you can just do Solana. And then from there, with pay with, just click transfer from Coinbase. Now, if for some reason this does not work for you, you can also just get your normal wallet address. For example, I can click on my Solana address and it will copy it. Then on Coinbase, I can also click transfer and then send crypto, then paste in the wallet address. Now it doesn't let me screen record that, but from there you can then also send it that way. And in the meantime, you can see the Ethereum has now arrived. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.